So today we might be picking up a new car. Yo my dudes, before I do continue this video, I just want to congratulate whoever has won the giveaways that I've done in the previous video. By the time that this video is uploaded, you guys would have already known if you won a banner or some merch or a car wash kit. Moving forward, I do actually want to continue giving you guys something small in most videos, just to show you guys my appreciation. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Maybe just mention something in the comment section like STM the world, or you made it till the end. Screenshot it and send it to me via Instagram, and I'll maybe send you some stickers or some banners, maybe some merch, or maybe even a car wash kit as well. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's continue this video. Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And then before we do start this video, I just want to apologize for not bringing the EG2, the CCT hookup. I unfortunately had plans after the hookup that consist of me having a passenger seat. And as you guys know, I do not have a passenger seat in the EG. However, I was there, met a few of you guys, gave you guys some stickers and banners, etc. It was a very cool event. Moving forward, a lot of you guys might have already picked up that we did get a new car for the channel, or for myself actually. A lot of you guys have actually seen the car already, because a lot of you guys are customers and you guys come in here and you obviously see the car. I also drove the car to the hookup, so a few of you guys have seen it. The car is actually in front of me right now. However, I won't be revealing the car in this video. What we do have planned for today, however, is to work on the EG. So as you guys know, I have an original MOMO Monte Carlo steering wheel, which I'm very fond of. However, I do not have a quick release, and I've always been shopping around for quick release, and all of them seem massive, and they just seem, how can I say, unsafe. However, we do supply quick releases as well as steering wheel hubs. However, we do offer the shorter version. So these are the shorter versions. Unfortunately, do not have the short hub for my car yet. I am waiting for stock to actually arrive. So I'm going with the short hub. The reason why I also want to go with the short hub is so that the steering wheel does not, how can I say, sit very close to me. I've seen a lot of guys actually go with the bigger hubs as well as the big quick release, and on top of that they have the drift steering wheels, which is like concave, so it sits like way to the front. I'm not really a fan of that, so I kind of went with this. This is another product that you'll be seeing on a build that will also be showing, I'll be showing you guys soon. It's also it's an EK build that I have been involved with. However, I want to basically compile a lot of videos and create one video and just reveal the whole car and show all the mods in it. But yeah guys, like I mentioned, we do have a new car. I'm excited for it. If you guys are too, please do give this video a thumbs up, and I'd also like to thank each and everyone that actually took out the time and to congratulate me on the new car, because I mean it is something big. And I also want to thank each and every one of you guys, because of you guys I was able to actually buy another car, another project car. And yeah, you guys will see in future what the car is. A lot of you guys that follow me on Instagram could pick up what the car is based off a few posts that I made. But yeah, I will be announcing the car and revealing the car in a future video, so subscribe to the channel. It's going to be a good one. But yeah guys, let's get this video started. Okay guys, so before we do continue this video, just wanted to show you guys what my steering wheel actually looks like. And this is the current hub that I have. As you guys can see, it's massive, so I do plan on actually changing that out as well. But yeah, this is my MOMO Monte Carlo steering wheel. Spoon uses the exact same steering wheel. The steering wheel is just 350mm, and I think Spoon uses 340. Very fond of the steering wheel. It's very ideal for track use. I really like this hub over here. It kind of grabs my hand. So yeah, I really like the steering wheel. This is a steering wheel that I've been looking for for a very long time, and luckily I found one. So yeah, we're going to add the quick release. That way I can remove my steering wheel when I maybe go to the mall, whatever the case may be, and how can I say, keep the car a little bit more safer as well. Okay guys, so what's happening right now is, I don't know if you guys can see, when I tighten this, the hooter basically stands out a little bit. I'm not really happy with that. I want it to be flush. What is also happening is, when I do tighten it, this kind of actually stands out and it presses against here and it doesn't allow me to actually lock this. So what I can do moving forward is get shorter ones like this, but then I won't be getting rid of how this hooter actually stands out. So what I do plan on doing is maybe just adding some washers on this side. That way this will basically go more inner and will clear over here, as well as I'll also be eliminating the whole hooter situation, because the hooter will then sit a little bit deeper as well. So I'm going to try to get some washers and try to maybe add the washers and see if that actually helps. Okay guys, so before I continue this video, just want to show you guys what I'm actually doing. So the trouble I'm having right now is these spaces are kind of too thick, as well as they are too thick on the side as well. So I have to basically trim them off like this. I'm going to use my Dremel and then maybe just some sandpaper. It might take a lot of time to actually sand them down and make them a little bit, how can I say, a little bit thinner. However, this is only going to be temporary until I obviously get smaller Allen keys. So that is basically what I'm doing. It does seem to be working. I've actually attempted to fit this, but then the hooter sits a little bit too deep. So the washers I need are maybe a little bit smaller. I can go with the conventional metal ones, but I feel like this won't really damage the back of the steering wheel, as well as it, when I do tighten it, it might just, because it's kind of rubber, it might just have a little bit of more grip as well. Or not rubber, but actually plastic. So yeah, that is what I'm going to attempt and take it from there. Okay guys, so before I actually do start, instead of me actually using these small ones and keeping them and trying to cut them short and possibly cutting off my fingers, what I ended up doing is I'm going to use this vice grip and maybe just a longer one, and then I'm going to cut it over here. And as you guys can see, I used the vice grip and I moved it as closest to the edge, so when I do cut it, it will basically give me that same measurement that I want over there. So that is what I'm going to attempt right now, and then maybe just sand it down and smoothen it out before I do fit them. Okay guys, so this is the outcome and this is a look I wanted. As you guys can see, it's flush. That's exactly how I wanted it. This is how it looks in the rear. You can't really even notice the washers. What I plan on maybe doing is maybe creating a spacer that matches this exact circle and that exact size as well, just so that it looks a little bit more flush. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. So we just basically need to lock the steering wheel in, and it will basically be all done. Okay guys, so this is what the steering wheel looks like. However, it is a little crooked, so I'm gonna have to figure that out and just show you guys the end result. Okay guys, so this is what the steering wheel looks like when it's on the car. And then in order for you to remove it, you just press this button, turn this, and then the steering wheel basically comes off. Another thing I want to mention when installing this, do not worry where this actually sits, because I had it over here and the steering wheel sat like this, and I was kind of confused as to where it needed to be. But then I just played around with it and then figured out where it exactly needed to be. So that's basically how it works. And then when you press the button, you're basically releasing the steering wheel. So this install was actually a very cool install. It takes me back to a lot of my old videos. A lot of the OG guys that actually watch my videos from the beginning would know that we used to do a lot of installs and a lot of figuring out. So I actually enjoyed this install a lot, and I actually look forward to building that car in future and doing a lot of installs and a lot of figuring out as well. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much happy with the outcome of this quick release. If you guys are interested in this quick release, I do sell them, so I'll leave my information in the description and you guys can make contact with me. So yeah, I'm just going to put the steering wheel back, and then that's basically how you click it, and then it's basically fitted again. So yeah guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you guys enjoyed this install, please do give this video a thumbs up. And then just like to thank everyone for watching my videos, and then please do watch the rest of this video, because I do have a few up and coming videos after this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this section, and see you guys next time. Yo guys, welcome to another quick video. Before we do start this video off, I just want to say a massive thanks to everyone. I'm ecstatic as to all the support I'm actually getting for STM. A lot of you guys are making contact, and a lot of you guys are making purchases. Yeah, so moving forward, what we do have planned for today, there's an EK coming in. I think the guy's name is Clinton. There's a few mods that we're going to do to his car. I think like a rear visor and a BYS lip, and then the Yaris is basically filled with a whole lot of parts. I think someone is taking upper control arms for EG, as well as ARC coilovers, a rear CL9 for the rear wing, and then there's a few other parts as well. But yeah, I just thought I'd make this video because I am kind of running late. The customer is coming around 3, so I want to actually get the lip and stuff sorted for him, so when he comes I can just basically install it. There's also another few guys that are taking a few parts from me. I think Travis Gaijing, he's also buying a few parts. I need to sort him out, and a friend of him, Giovanni, I think they're buying I think he's buying like engine mounts and a stack, and then also a battery. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and say thanks a lot to everyone that is supporting STM. You guys are all appreciated, and thanks to everyone that is entering the giveaway as well. So yeah, I'm gonna head home right now, and I have a few customers obviously coming to me to collect the parts. Okay guys, so I just got home. I actually have the parts all laid out over here. So like I mentioned, we are going to put one of these rear visors. It's actually very similar to mine, however mine is different. I think I'm the only one with this one actually on EG. This is for an EK, and then we plan on putting the BYS lip for the custom as well. This is the CL9 Accord rear wing, ARC coilovers, battery for an EK, trail arm bushings, and then engine mounting as well. So I just thought I'd lay this out for you guys, seeing that these parts are going to be collected by customers right now. So I'm just going to wait for Clinton. Before he does come, however, I'm just going to maybe spray the BYS lip in a satin black, so it matches his side skirts, the same thing that we did with Shamil. So yeah, I'm just going to set up, and then we can start spraying everything and making everything ready for him before he comes. Okay guys, so I have Clinton over here. I don't know if you guys recall, his car and himself was actually featured in a video with Bad Productions. I think he's sock VTEC. So I'll just show you guys his car in a second. This is what the car looks like. As you guys can see, STM sticker, and then this is the visor that we just fitted for him. Came out pretty good actually. And then what we also did for him was we fit a BYS front lip on a new spec. I don't think there's anyone that actually did this in Cape Town or South Africa yet. I'm gonna try to get some pictures for you guys in the daylight. Unfortunately it's dark. We also had to battle a lot with the rain. We also sprayed the lip satin black, but this is the rest of his car. I think he has a Mugen steering wheel that was supplied by Kyle, right? So Kyle from Racebreed supplied him that steering wheel. Looks pretty good. And then yeah, this is the car. It's complete form. It's a very neat car. I think I recall you mentioned that you bought it from an old guy that lived close by you, right? Yeah, no? So yeah, you guys can actually check out Bad Productions video. I think he does a few pulls if you guys want to see this car, maybe in the daylight. But yeah, I will link up with him in future and maybe just add some pictures to this video of what the car actually looks like as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this small section. Enjoy the rest of the video. Yo guys, so today we might be picking up a new car, which will obviously belong to me, as well as it will be a build that will be featured on the channel, as well as a build that will be how can I say, supported by STM and hopefully a few of you guys as well. So I just picked up a friend of mine, Dane, which you guys already know. I already had a look at the car, and there's a big possibility that we most definitely buying a new car.